This is BB Ventures Arts. I'm here to show you how to trim your feathers. We have different types of feathers in the market. The first one I will show you, look at this. It comes like a chicken feather, but they have treated it very well. Now, you can use this feather to design your heart or your fascinator like this. Also, you can take it, you can remove it one after the other and trim it. Before you trim it, smooth it very well. Then take your scissors. Take it easy. You have to cut it easily without scissors, but you not cut it off. Look at it. Then I'm cutting it to a shape. You use your scissors to trim small out of the edge of the feathers. Then if I remove all the one, it will give you this design. You see this difference between this one and this one. You can't even cut it more than this. Cut the shape more than this. Therefore, instead of you to be looking for designs of feathers somewhere, you can use your scissors to trim your feathers. You can use this one to do your wedding and fan, and again you can use it to design your fascinator. It's a roll like this. Come in a roll like this. You can use it to, at times you can see this type of feathers in the market. Look at this one. It comes in a bunch. The same thing with this. This one, you can use it to design your fascinator. It comes in bunch, doesn't mean that you should not remove it. You can remove it one, you can cut it one and use it to design your work. Now let's look at another one. Look at this. Look at it. It's a feather. You can, as it is, you can shapen it to the, you file the back to make the feather to curve. You see, there is difference between this and this one now, but they are the same thing. Now, you can do the same things to this. The back of your scissors to file the back of the feather. Now, look at it. You can see, you can use this one to design your fascinator, design your heart or your design. If you have a white feather, you can trim it to your own taste different. Look at the difference.